Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over finishing up this 66 Impala 427 convertible. It was mainly here just to get cleaned up, detail work, touch up work underneath. End up being a lot more than that. They always do. I am not versed on Chevrolet products, so I did my best to do the detailing to the best of my ability from pictures that I've seen on the internet, which sometimes not the best thing to do, but that's all I had to go with. After it leaves here, the car will go back to the current owner. They'll finish up doing things like putting the radiator in, coolant fan on, belts, finish up the wiring. That was all taken apart before it got here, so I figured the people who took it apart would be better off having them put it back together. The interior also needs to be put back together. Nothing major. The dash is out. The cluster is removed, I think for cleaning or replacement with a new one, I'm not sure. But at any rate, they're going to handle all of that, and my work is done. So that's going to do it for the 66 427 Impala Super Sport Convertible 4-speed. Very cool car. It's been fun to work on, but I'm glad that it's leaving. It'll be good to get it finished and on to its new owner. Once again, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.